Hi, and what's your name?
Una.
And welcome to Craftoona! Today, we will be showing you how to create your own DIY nursery room home decor. We have created 3 printable files that you can download for free on the link provided below. We have here the alphabet,
A, B, C, N.
numbers. Ano numbers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah! And the panda with the text, dream big.
Yay, big! Bigger, bigger, bigger.
Bigger, bigger. For us to make these frames, here are the materials that we need. Now that we already have all the materials, ano pang hintay natin? Ready, get set, go! We hope na nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating DIY project for today. And if nagustuhan niyo po ang content and designs, please give us a thumbs up. Please also support us by subscribing to our channel and click that notification bell for you to get notified once we upload our next video. You may also visit our channel for you to check out more of our DIY projects with free printable templates and designs. Please also follow and like our Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest accounts. Till our next DIY project, bye!